Hello, crafty friends. We are going to be making a Gable box treat box or a Gable treat box, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I hope you all love this. So first of all, I want to show you one that I did for mangocraft. This is mangocraft's stamp and die set that they sent me, and I absolutely love it. I believe they are connected to Yijan Scrapbooking, so you could probably get it from either one, but this is for mangocraft. So I use this little chair and the Christmas tree, and I just thought it was so precious. I use my Ohuhu markers to color it in, and then again you get these two dies here. I also use this little stamp right here that says Christmas treats for you, as well as warm wishes and mistletoe kisses. Isn't that cute? I just love how this turned out. And as part of my 12 days of digital giveaways for Christmas, I have included this fun little Gable box, which I'm about to show you in a second. You will be able to get this cut file in my group, Salty Beach Scrappers. So if you haven't joined, that's where all my free digitals go. I have many from the past as well, but so I just thought that was super precious. But here again we have this fun little Christmas tree right here, and so this is like a little cutout, and I went ahead and backed it up with some gold foil. You don't have to do that. You could use any color. You could use acetate, whatever you want to do. But is this box not the cutest? And look at the space you have on the inside. There's also a tutorial connected to this as well for you. But look at all that space you have inside to put in some sweet treats, right? Or anything you want to put in here. Crafty goodies, you name it, you can do it. Even some socks, popcorn, whatever you want to do. I hope you all love this little cut file. You will need your digital cutting machine. So if you have a Cricut, a Silhouette, a Brother Scan and Cut, maybe even the laser machine. I think you could probably do it with that as well. But anyway, I thought this was super cute. Now, for the tag, I actually designed this in Cricut Design Space. So that, unfortunately, I don't have anything to give to you for that because you have to have Cricut Design Space to do that. And I have their, where I pay a monthly fee or whatever to get free little files from them. So I just went ahead and used a tag and then added in the little Christmas tree that they had. So anyway, thought it was super adorable, but I thought I would make a Christmas tree box for you guys. And go ahead and stay tuned for the tutorial. I forgot to mention again, if you join my Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrappers, again, that's on Facebook, you can get the link to this free cutting file, okay? Plus many more. All right, sorry about that. Now on to the tutorial. Bye. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with our Cricut tutorial, and I'm sure this is pretty much the same for Brother Scan and Cut and as well as Silhouette. Okay, it's going to be very similar. So we're going to go to upload. I already have my file set in here. Right here I have these three right here. So you're going to have Gable box A, B, and C. So I'm going to click Shift and click on these three, and I'm going to add to the canvas. Okay, now mine is already highlighted, so it is already grouped together. I'm going to go ahead and click on the lock button because I want to lock that down. And I'm going to go ahead and move this to 8 inches in width. And then it's going to go ahead and configure the height for me. Okay, so now I can move my little pieces around, right? I want you to go ahead and click this one off. Because for some other reason it'll try to put on the long cutting thing, and I don't think you want to do that. I mean, you can if you want to, but then you're going to go ahead and click Make It. And I suggest using your fine cutting blade, which is your regular blade. You're going to click on the mat for any material. And then now you can pick out whatever cardstock you want to use. All right. So if you want to, you would go ahead and hit continue and then cut these out. Then for the final piece, I'm going to cancel this real quick, only because I want to show you this really fast. So this one, that's why did it do that? Okay. So this one, if you want to make your box super heavy duty, do it twice. If you just want to make it strong, do it once. And if you're not really worried about the heaviness of the item you're putting in there, you don't even need it, to be honest with you, okay? And you're going to see that in our tutorial that I'm going to do right now. Yay! But anyway, let's go ahead and start putting this together. So first of all, I'm just going to put this on the scoreboard. Normally I could fold this myself, but this craft paper is pretty heavy duty. And so it's just easier for me to go ahead and add in the score line. Sorry, I'm just flipping this over so I can see a little bit better. So I'm just going to line my piece up with the top here. And I know I want my score line right there, okay? So I'm just going to score on where the score line should be. It's easy peasy. Just as long as you have this piece up at the top, you should be good. So it should do it pretty straight. So again, here I am, just going to line this up. And, you know, obviously if you have cardstock that is not as strong as this, you can just fold it yourself. You don't even have to go through all this effort, right? So you're going to have 1, 2, and 3, and I'm going to turn it this way. Again, line it up over here. And I know that my score line starts right here, so I'm going to go ahead and back that score line. And then one more time, I need a score line right about, shall we do it a little inwards? Yeah, let's do it right about there. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing over here. All right, so again, I'm going to flip this over here just because it's easier for me to see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in my score line. Right. And it's automatically pretty much in place. I'm just going to scoot it over just a smidge. Okay, I'm going to, again, turn it this way. And I know that I need my score line right about there. I'm sorry, guys. He is like really screaming. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add in that score line right here. Flip it around one more time. You know what? I'm going to keep it on this side. Just feels more comfortable for me. And so again, I know that I need my score line right about here. Okay, right here at the edge, or shall we say this edge? We'll just go there. Okay. Now, I'm going to get my mat out and I'm going to start folding on my score lines. And the only one that is going to go outward is this top one, right? So I can go ahead and fold that outward. And actually this will go outward as well. Just right there. How easy is that, guys? Easy peasy. See, I didn't have to score that. I already know that it's going to go inwards like this, right? And then the rest are going to go, right? And again, these two. And this one. And then last piece, if it seems like it's a little bit off, just go along with your lines right here, your score lines that you have, to straighten that out, right? So that looks great. Then I can move over to this one. Again, I'm going to put this one back, burnish it in. The rest all go inwards. Easy peasy. Okay. I'm just going to line that up just like right along here, just to make sure it's straight. And I'm going to do the same thing here, and it's already good. So I don't even have to worry about it. And boom, there you go. So now we're going to go ahead and attach these together. And what I like to do is start off with this one. Easy, easy, guys. So I'm going to get my glue. Okay. I'm going to flip it over really quick just to make sure I did good. And I did. Maybe just push it in a smidge. And now I can go ahead and burnish it in. Once I'm happy with what I want, right? And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Okay, I'm going to hold it steady for a second. Okay. You could do it like this. This may be a little bit easier. I'm going to add a little more glue here because I took too long. There we go. And burnish it in. Okay, and then last but not least, we're going to go ahead and fold these inwards, right? Sorry, we're going to start off with this one, and then like this. Guys, see? Bam! You don't even have to glue it together. I'm going to go ahead and glue it, just because I don't want it to fall apart at all. It probably wouldn't anyway, but you never know. There we go. And I can go ahead and burnish it in real quick. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to get it together. Don't you worry. Burnish it in with my hand. Okay. And then I can go ahead and add my glue here. And hopefully I waited long enough. And I'm going to, oops, see, I did it too early. And then I can tuck it in. That's all right. We'll go ahead and press it down. And then I'm just going to add my piece on the inside. I just want to finish off the inside of the box. Just kind of center it and press. Easy peasy, guys. And then again, I have to fix my little wings. Right. Okay. And then voila, my box is done and I'm ready to decorate. How cute is that? Anyway, guys, I hope you love this free file. Go ahead and check out my Facebook page and I will give you the link to the file. It's actually going to come from a box.com a HTTPS file or link, and then you'll be able to download it from there, and it is free to download. You do not have to have an account with Dropbox to do that. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a wonderful and fabulous day. Sorry I'm a bit behind on my 12 days of free digital giveaways, but I hope you all love this, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, guys.